Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 Can-Am Maverick XRS Turbo RR Smart Shock model. We have installed a ton of accessories on this one. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done on this one. So we do have that Can-Am front bumper with the Can-Am winch on there. Very nice setup. Tusk glass windshield with wiper. It's got those upper vents to get you some airflow inside the cab. UTV Tech side view mirrors. Can-Am fender flare extensions. The Can-Am lower door inserts. Can-Am Nerf bars. Got the center bag in the front and the back, both from Can-Am. New shift gate and shift handle. Tusk grab handles throughout the machine. Backup camera, rear view mirror from Can-Am. R1 whips. Bluetooth, Can-Am cooler box, spare tire mount, spare tire, and Y-strap. We're going to be doing separate videos on each one of the accessories. Check out the videos to follow, but wanted to do that first kind of overall look for you. Got the RYCO Street Legal kit on it. I'm sure there's a few things I'm missing along the way. Awesome looking side-by-side from Can-Am, outfitted perfect. Dunes, desert, mountains, Moab, we got it right here. All of these accessories are available at Big Pine Sports. Give us a call today, 435-427-3338. Have a great day, everybody.